Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the Tree Shade 2 effect. So, initially, what you're going to want to do is go up to Effects, Video Effects, Light Effect, scroll down to find the Tree Shade effect, Tree Shade 2 effect, click and drag it down to the timeline. Now, we're going to increase the length of the effect, and with it being selected, we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the atmosphere, speed, and also add keyframes. So what we're going to do is bring the player head to the beginning of the effect, decrease the atmosphere, and decrease the speed. And then we're going to add the keyframes, bring this player head all the way up, add the atmosphere and the speed all the way. And now we have added keyframes. Of course, this clip isn't the best to showcase the Tree Shade 2 effect. But let's say if you're kind of like in a half lit, half dark, front facing angle, I think that would be the best to utilize this effect. Anyways, guys, if this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.